Hey, are you struggling with your inverts? I'd like to help. Whether you train at home or in a studio, I'm excited to share the ultimate guide to inverts. I'm Vina with StudioVina.com, a website where you can learn to pole dance at home. Over the next few days, I'm going to share videos with tips and skills to improve your invert game. Even if you're not ready to invert yet, these videos will help you understand the invert, setting you up for greater success in the future. You'll be able to find this complete series on my website, StudioVina.com. That way you can save it forever. One other thing. Understand that these videos are tips and skills you can use to improve your invert. They are not a substitute or a replacement for my in-depth, full-length tutorials. If you're looking to actually learn the invert, a chopper, or aerial inverts, please watch my tutorials on the website. Also, you can give the 30-day program a try if you'd like to learn at a slower pace. Like this video, tag a friend, and let's go!